Hello guys, good morning. Uh, I think you guys are facing problem with primer designing, so I am demonstrating one with so that you can go through the process. Firstly, here is your assignment description. This date is varied for two sections. Okay, you have to perform primer designing for this five. So I'm going with the first one. So firstly, copy your RSID, then search for DBSLP, database of SLP, um, in database of SLP, then you have to search with that SLP, just search it. Then select your desired SLP name from here. It will let you into the informations regarding this SSP. So as you know, it's chromosome 19, these positions, Human Genome Consortium 38, P-arm 14 allele. This is the gene name and this is the variant type, and its clinical significance is still not reported in ClinVar, a pretty new RSID. And the variation type is single nucleotide variations or SNVs. So during primer designing, firstly, go here. Here is your interface of genome viewer. Okay, just zoom it out. Just zoom it out. See the difference, how much difference? It is 50 difference from this point to this point. If you see clearly, it's 900 and it's 950. So I am going a bit up. Now it's 100 difference. And if you are from 80% to 75% zoom, you may acquire this. Okay. I'm just selecting a portions. Here is 100, 300, 400. Taking 400 BP ahead to 400 BP downstream of the RSID positions. Okay. Then just simply click on primer blast. Then just primer blast. It will take you to the primer designing interface. So your accession number came here automatically based on your redirection, and your forward primer starting point, your reverse primer starting point. That doesn't matter that much. Just make sure that 3 to 400 BP ahead and 3 to 400 BP downstream sequence presence here. Now, the crucial thing is you have to uh, not demonstrate, you have to define the region. So firstly, take a copy because for record purpose, you need it. Take a screenshot. So we are designing primer. So what's the RSID? This is our RSID. I'm copying it. And where's the position? So having the positions from here, you can also have it from here. Just keep your cursor on the RSID. You will have the positions. Just simply copy it. Okay, so the positions is this, and the forward primer range, and then there is reverse primer range. So for forward primer range, as you see on the NCBI interface, your selections is forward primer range. Just copy this to, you have to define that two region. we will do that in a minute. Then the reverse primer last region. This is the last region. As you see, there is many digits, most of them not seen here. The last digit is invisible here. So when selecting, you have to make sure all of the digits uh, can be copied, or you can just double click. It will select the whole things, or Control A will also work. Then just paste it here to region. So what we will do, we select the range in such a way that from 300 to 400 pp ahead to 50 pp upstream is 50 pp ahead of this will be the region for forward timer pickup, and 50 pp downstream to 300 to 400 pp uh, downstream would be the ranges for our reverse timer pickup. So we will defining the region based on the position. So firstly, we will exclude 50. If we exclude 50, then the positions will be here. Or you can just simply click here or grab the positions from here. That will also work. You can do it manually, you can do it with calculator, anything will go, not that much sensitive, but make sure that forward and reverse primer have the common things of this RSID. Okay. So just doing this, uh, this is the positions, right? So firstly, I'm excluding 50. This is the positions, minus 50. This is the forward primer pickup last range. I'm copying and pasting it here. Okay, probably right. Yeah, there's some problem. Okay, clearing it again. There is some problem with copying. Yeah, now it's okay. Minus 50. It's this. That's the cut. Replacing the things and make sure that there is no comma because the server cannot read the comma. Then 50 will be ahead of this position. So I'm taking this again. I'm taking this again. Just check every time because this step is sensitive. Then at 50, if this step is not done properly, you will encounter many errors, error messages. Okay, just pasting the things, then removing the comma because the server cannot read the comma. So my range is ready. Just copy the last zone for forward primer and then the starting positions. This is the starting positions. I'm copying it and then pasting it here. Okay, so I have done it. And uh, PCR product size, you can select it 800, no problem. Okay, then how many primer you want? You can keep the rest of the things default as you like, no problem. Just take it, show that on the new window so that if any error message encounter, you can change here. Then click for get primer, a new window, a new tab will appear, and there your primer designing tools is running. It will take some time based on your internet connectivity. This will refresh over time to make you the primers. It will take time. We are just waiting. So the crucial step is this one. So you have to do just add subtract 50 for the forward primer range and add 50 to this for reverse primer range. That's it. This will automatically redirect you. So this is the area where you have programs and everything. So if you zoom it 70%, it will take you to the 75%. It will take you to the 100 rupee difference of each position. Just select the area, redirect it to primer designing tool with this primer blast, then define your forward primer range, reverse primer range. That will enough to have you the primer. There's the thing here which for you desired primer and bit more work for our sequence. We'll have the primer sequence here. Rest of the screenshot of primer will be here. And the another things you should write why you have chosen this primer pair. Okay, as you know, there is various characteristics of an ideal primer, like its BP, its GC content, its TM value, and the 3' handling, self-complementary value, anything. So just use that to make sure is it working or not. So we got the final primer pair. This is our SMB positions. These positions, as you see, primer pair design having the SMB positions at the middle. So we have 10 primer pairs. This is the graphical overview. You can see from here. Okay, so we are moving for the best primer pair. Length is pretty good. Length is pretty good. EMW is okay. GC okay. Self-complementary. This is a bit high. We can take this. This is also high. We can take this. This is also high. Uh, yeah, self-complementarity high. So we are going for this one because this is comparatively good. Length, TM, GC, self-complementary, self-complementary. If it exit 5, we can take it. Okay, if it exit 5, we can take it. So this is the only one that is less than 5. That's why we are taking this primer pair. Okay, this is my forward primer, and this is the reverse primer. This is the forward primer, this is the reverse primer. Just take a screenshot of your selected primer pair because the positions and many things is required when you are working on downstream process like PCR, Sanger sequencing. You have to know exactly from where the amplicons are creating. So these positions help you, this BP help you to know how much lengthy the positions is. So this is the procedure and why I have chosen the primer pair, I have to write here. So why I have chosen it, comparing to others, it have the lower self-complementarity and 3' self-complementarity value. Besides, it have a good product length and exact 18 to 24 standard primer length. Besides, DM hello is a standard, GC content is a standard. That's why we have chosen this. Okay, just that kind of simple writing. So this is the procedure to create the primer pair. I guess you can do it now. So good luck for your assignment.